Why are people with diabetes more prone to gum disease and other dental problems?
Okay, it's important to understand that when a diabetic has uncontrolled diabetes, what's happening? The blood glucose levels is higher. If your glucose levels are higher in the blood as well as the saliva, it increases the growth of harmful bacteria. Now, that harmful bacteria loves creating a thing called plaque. Plaque को मैं समझेंगे, it is a sticky layer that stays on our tooth surfaces and causes cavities. So ये बात तो समझनी जरूरी होगी और डायरेक्ट होगी कि अगर blood glucose levels higher हैं, harmful bacteria increase कर रहा है, which is causing plaque, and then plaque causes cavities. Some diabetic medications, they cause reduced salivary flow, which in turn causes dry mouth, ulcers, sores, and the leg healing. अक्सर जो अनकंट्रोल्ड डायबिटिक्स हैं उनमें क्या होता है देर ऑल्सो इम्यून कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड. जिनकी इम्यूनिटी वीक होगी उनको क्या होता है दे स्टार्ट डेवलपिंग दिस वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड कॉमन डिजीज कॉल्ड ओरल थ्रश, जिसको हम कैंडाइडियासिस भी कहते हैं. इट इज अ फंगल इन्फेक्शन. सो ये बात समझ लें दैट oral mouth ulcers, mouth sores, dry mouth, burning mouth, ये सब diabetes, uncontrolled diabetes and diabetic medication की वजह से हो रहा है. But the plaque and cavities, the incidence higher is because of harmful bacteria increasing in the mouth because of blood glucose levels higher in the saliva. Thirdly, and most importantly, when you have not maintained your blood glucose levels, your HbA1c is higher, but that glucose in the saliva also targets your gums. अब आपके गम में एक ligament होता है जिसको periodontal ligament कहते हैं. That weakens up. That glucose starts infiltrating in those gums, and the gum is the spring in the mouth. Imagine when you're eating food, that spring becomes weaker with time, and when that spring becomes weak, which is the ligament inside your gums, that's when all oral issues start arising. So it is important to understand, अगर आपकी शुगर कंट्रोल नहीं हो रही, आपके healthy gums नहीं हो सकते. और इसको ठीक करने के लिए obviously you'll have to come to the dentist and get your dental your oral hygiene instructions and get your scaling and polishing done.